Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 2 of Kansas Championships 2024. As I alluded to yesterday, today should be more eventful. Usually I would talk about my cubing goals and events in the car, but it is raining heavily outside. I don't know if you can hear it right now, so I'm just gonna film that in here in the kitchen before I leave. Today, we're gonna finish the remaining rounds of 3x3. The goal is to make it to the finals. If I can keep getting sub 10s, I think I should make finals. But I can't be doing what I did in Manhattan if I want to make finals. We started out with a 928 average, which is promising. So let's continue down that road. Then we got Pyraminx, which will be the first event I do when I walk in the door today. The goal is just to make finals in Pyraminx. I don't really have any timed goals, just do the best I can. I didn't really practice going into this. I spent more of my practice on Megaminx, which will be the event following Pyraminx. The goal for Megaminx today, I would like a sub 110 single and a sub 120 average of 5. It's doable. I've been practicing a lot since Manhattan. I also forgot to mention that at the Kansas Championships, at the end of each event, they do acknowledge the highest ranking Kansan in each event. I don't know if I'm going to be the highest ranking Kansan in any event. My top 2 chances are these right here. I will see you at the competition. Finally made it to the competition. A lot of rain, but it's not raining in Wichita right now, but we still seem to have a parade route en route. So I wasn't able to park at the expo center, but I am right across the street from it. Let's go. We just called up Pyraminx Group 2. That's my heat. So here I go. I'm ready.
Come here.
Heat.
DaYan, 6. Matthew, 10. Matthew Steichen. Cohen, 11.
Ooh, thank you.
Anderson Myers, 10.
Not gonna lie, that was a rough round of Pyraminx. Those first 3 solves, that second solve should have been so much faster. I screwed up the inspection on that one, but it's all good. It's only the first round. I'll live to see another round in Pyraminx. So on to Megaminx following this. Next video you see will be me going to Megaminx. Pyraminx Group 2, here I go.
Yes.
That Megaminx average was pretty rough. There's no way I'm going to the next round after that average. That's probably like a 130 average. That DNF on the first off just absolutely killed me. That's just unfortunate. Ooh. Well, I guess that just gives me more time for 3x3 and Pyraminx today, so I'm still optimistic for today. I know I don't look like it right now, but it's just not been a great start. But we'll turn it around. I know it. I just got back from lunch. They're doing 4x4 round 2 right now. I ate at Brahms today. It was a good meal. There are also not Brahms in Topeka or Kansas City for that matter, so gotta take advantage of Brahms when I can. And I know I told you guys I was trying to avoid fast food as much. I walked there, so I hope that cancels that out. Pyraminx round 2 is up. I'm in the first heat since I'm the 6th seed, so here I go. No.
3.
Just got done with Pyraminx. That 5th solve, that 4-6, that becomes a 6-6. It's gonna cost me a lot. I don't know it's gonna be enough to cost me a spot out of finals, but it's pretty risky. I was guaranteed pretty much a 4 average. So far, it's not been my day, but let's hope I can survive to make it to another round. 3x3 round 2 is up. I'm in the first heat since I got 7th place. So let's go.
I'll win.
Station 4. Nicholas, 9. Come on, now. DaYan, 7.
That was gonna be faster.
It was. And we both should. Pyraminx finals. Moment of truth. Let's go. Nice. Nice.
Oh my god.
Still nice. Still nice. It is still pretty decent. Nice. It's gonna be that's gonna be a good average. Nice. No, so 3.9, man. All those Pyraminx failures I had earlier today, I've made it all worth it for that 3.9 average of 5 that I think I just got at in finals for Pyraminx. That should be good enough to put me on the podium, but we'll see. I'm very happy about that average. That's the first time I've done a sub 4 for Pyraminx since 2018. Time for 3x3 finals. I got the 10th seed. Let's go.
We're almost done. 8 seconds.
Oh no. Oh, dude, we got the same time. Did we actually? Yeah. Oh. What is within and +2s in the final round haunting me? That +2 may have just costed me a Kansas title in this game, or this competition. Tough. You learn from these, I guess.
24, this is our first 3-day competition. This is our first state championship.
5 blind.
Here we go, guys. Here we go. Awards.
This is the most exciting one since one person got a success with a time of 8:21.52, Ryan Pilot. In second place with a time of 7:22.36, Alex Whaley. And in first place with a time of 4:15.39, Ryan Pilot. Alex Prohaska, Alexander Wheeler, Ryan Pilot.
This is great.
Dan Smith, Alexander Wheeler, Ryan Pilot.
Podium for these guys.
Lydia Workman, Alexander Wheeler, Ryan Pilot.
1, 2, 3.
Titus Sutterfield, Ray By, Ryan Pilot. Dominic Lagarde, Ryan Pilot, Titus Sutterfield. Samuel Paulum, Titus Sutterfield, Ryan Pilot. Ryan Pilot, Alexander Gabriel, Ray By. Dominic Lagarde, me, Ryan Pilot. Titus Sutterfield, Ryan Pilot, Ray By. Ray By, Ryan Pilot, Lydia Workman. Lydia Workman, Ray By, Ryan Pilot. Nicholas Sanchez, Ryan Pilot, Ray By. Ryan Pilot, Nicholas Sanchez, Ray By. Titus Sutterfield, Ryan Pilot, Nicholas Sanchez. On to our main event of the competition, 3x3. In third place, with an average of 7.68 seconds, Nicholas Sanchez. In second place, with an average of 7.50, Ryan Pilot. And in first place, the winner of Kansas Championships, with an average of 7.32, Ray By. Our state champions, some of them were in the podium, but we'll gladly announce them again.
As previously stated, we do not have a 5x5 or 4x4 blindfolded state champion. Next best thing, 3 blinds.
Yes.
Our Kansas State champion for 2024 is Dan Smith. Crown. All right, FMC. Our Kansas State champion in the Fewest Move Challenge is Lydia Workman. Kansas State champion for Square One is James Marslove.
Yeah.
In Scube, our Kansas State champion is Dominic Brungard. Pyraminx is Samuel Paulum. Our Kansas State champion for Megaminx is Alexander Gager. Our Kansas State champion in Clock is Dominic Brungard. Our Kansas State champion in 3x3 one-handed is Alexander Gager. Kansas State champion for 7x7 is Lydia Workman. 6x6 is Lydia Workman.
Yeah.
State champion in 5x5 is Lydia Workman. Kansas State champion for 4x4 is Lydia Workman.
What?
Our Kansas State champion for 2x2 is James Marslow. Our Kansas State champion for 3x3 is James Marslow.
I gotta admit, that was a pretty sloppy competition overall. +2, DNF. Just a few things just didn't go my way today. I did math for the +2 on the 3x3. That wouldn't have made me Kansas champ. But what's really got me at this mood right now is the fact that just after getting my podium Pyraminx average, I proceed to lose the Pyraminx and have no idea where it went. It was just not my day for some reason. I'm happy I went though, but that's unfortunate. I apparently just lost my Pyraminx. I hope I find that. Well, I think I'm gonna end it here. I'll try to get these up as soon as possible, and I'm glad you made it to the end. See you guys.